Are you kinds of ducks or something? You look cute. Ducklings, what are you doing? Come on. Get back down there. There you go. Come on. Come on. So cute. And the birds have taken over Sawgrass Mills. And I don't know what all these birds found. Oh, someone threw away a bread. Well, it's not bread. They bunch of fries. Oh, you pigs! Oh, come on, get up. Good boy. Yeah, I'll see you guys on the other side, alright? Yeah, I'm being... Okay, I guess they're telling me to leave. You guys have fun, okay? Hey, duck. Take a look at the ducklings.
Too close because she might.
I'm staying over here, bud. All right, well, have a good night, guys.
Oh,
Aw. They're all just huddling. I thought they were maybe feeding. I don't know if they do it like that. But, oh. What up? Okay, bye guys. Stay awesome, okay?
yeah.